Hi family, this is Bet Payout and this is the business aspect of the channel. I'll be unfolding various videos on how to make an extra income aside your daily job, or even if you're in a house and aside betting also. So if I tell you the money I've made last and this year, it will marvel you. I'll show you how to buy good products online at the cheapest rates and sell them in Ghana at a high amount to gain at times 100% of your income. So today I want to teach you how to advertise on YouTube through Google Ads, because let us know how to advertise our products before we think on the product to buy. So this is Google Ads on YouTube. Again, this is Google Ads on YouTube. In this video will appear in series. This is the first part on how to advertise the Google Ads on YouTube. So let us get into it. So launch your web browser either on your phone or your computer and search for Google Ads. Right. So when it opens, you go to Google Ads website. That's the first one. And if this is your first time of having a Google Ads account, click on Get Started Now. But if you already have an account, you go to click Sign In. But guys, going to start now is very easy. You just go through some few steps, right? And because I want us to go very fast, I wouldn't go there. We shall just dive deep into the whole thing. But comment below if you find it a bit tough in registering for the first time. So guys, this is my Google Ads account, and you can see that I have already made some few ads or campaigns already. So some I paid up to even $9.5 from $15. Some I paid $5, $4. And guys, campaigning or advertising your product is very easy, but the outcome is very huge. So let us start by going to new campaign. The new campaign, that the plus sign stands for like a new advertisement, right? So you click on it to start the new ads, and when it opens, Google will suggest some ad option to you for it to appear on YouTube and a part of the internet. So first of all, you have sales. If you want to drive sales online in your app or by phone, that it means that you have a physical shop. You want to drive people to come to your shop to purchase or meet you. This is an option you go. If you want to lead people by encouraging them to take an action on your products, this is where we go to. We have website traffic. This is where you advertise your website to make sure people come in their numbers to your website, to troop in to your website. We have product and brand consideration. Here YouTube will encourage people to explore your products and services, but our focus today is brand awareness and reach. We want to reach as many people as possible, right? You have a product you want to sell in Ghana. You are in Accra and you want to sell only for those in Accra, right? So this option will make people aware of what to sell for them to easily contact you. The rest, like the app promotion in the web, we shall get there very soon, right? But let's get into brand awareness and reach. So when you click on brand awareness and reach, you meet two different campaign types, right? campaign types is how your ads will appear on YouTube, right, or on other web pages. Now guys, note this: anytime you want to advertise Google ads on YouTube, there are ways that it appears. So these are the two ways that our option that we chose will appear. Now for this option, it will display your visual ads to people beside YouTube. Now looking at the image right here, you can see that the ad has appeared at the right hand side of the video. This is what we've been seeing, guys. Anytime you watch my videos, those ads that appear at the right hand side, that is how your product will appear. So you can design very nice ads, put it there, and it will appear on that side for people to recognize your product. Now the next one is a video product. You can create a small skit or video of a product, put it there, and it will play right after every video, right? So when you choose your option, but for our tutorial we are going for display ads. So as we click on this option, the next one that will come is we ask for your business website. Ignore that one, but the campaign name is the name given to your advert, so you can easily differentiate them from other advert or campaigns that you make. So example, I want to sell pen drive, so I'll type pen drive there, right? Then you click continue. Good. So this is our last step. There are more to come, and we shall unfold them in our next video. This is the location, and location in sales is very important, guys. You should remember, because they'll give you all countries and territories. This one will broaden your scope to the whole wide world. We have Ghana by default because they know we're in Ghana by default, and enter another location. Now this option gives you the chance to define where you want your product to be advertised to. So example, I want to advertise my product only in Accra. So you see, they'll give you options of what to choose, but choosing Accra, it means it will advertise only in Accra. Now guys, mostly don't really broaden your scope so much, because when you define your location, it makes reaching of them very easy. So if you choose in Accra, you should know that it will advertise only those in Accra, and people that watch YouTube in Accra is more than those in some strange town in Ghana, right? So you have to have very close targets, and this way you can easily get your product bought or seen by the right people. So guys, this is the end of our first lesson, and we shall unfold the rest next time. So please go through the steps, get familiarized with the steps, and we shall continue. Take care and have a lovely day. Bye bye.